Number 1. Test tube rack. The test tube rack serves to place the test tube when the practicum react to chemicals. Example sentence: Alita moved the test tube rack. Number 2. Funnel. Funnel are used for filtering and for adding chemicals without spilling. Example sentence: Student moved the solution using a funnel. Number 3. Watch glass. Watch glass is used for beaker cover and for weighing chemicals. Example sentence: Lily put the material to weigh on the watch glass. Number 4. Digital balance. Digital balance sheets are used to weigh chemicals. Example sentence: I weighed the materials with a digital balance. Number 5. Aqueduct bottle. Aqueduct bottle serve to store and pour aqueduct by pressing. Example sentence: Aqueduct bottle are used as aqueduct container. Number 6. Petri dish. Petri dish is a tool that functions as container for media in growing microbes. Example sentence: Petri dish is placed on the table. Number 7. Microscope. The microscope serves to observe objects that are very small in size. Example sentence: Lania using a microscope right now.
Number 1. Dropper. Dropper is a single-channel device commonly used in chemistry laboratories to transfer small volumes of liquid. The example of a sentence is: Dropper is such a small tool. Number 2. Erlenmeyer flask. Erlenmeyer flask is one of the laboratory glassware which one of its functions is to be a container of liquid chemicals. The example of a sentence is: The Erlenmeyer flask is broken. Number 3. Measuring pipette. The measuring pipette has almost the same function as other pipettes. Its function is to transfer liquids or solutions into containers with various volume sizes. The example of a sentence is: Measuring pipette is hard to use. Number 4. Beaker. Beaker is a place for reacting materials in the form of solutions or solids. Beaker is also a place to dissolve and heat materials. The example of a sentence is: Be careful when you use the beaker. Number 5. Porcelain cup. Porcelain cup is for reacting chemical substances at high temperatures. The function of porcelain cup is as place for composing the material and also a place for mixing the material. The example of a sentence is: Porcelain cup is fragile. Number 6. Thermometer. A thermometer is a device used to measure the temperature of a gas, liquid or solid material or a chemical reaction. The example of a sentence is: Thermometer is expensive. Number 7. Tripod. Tripod in laboratory equipment is iron which has 3 legs. The function of the tripod is to hold the wire mesh and support it during the heating process. The example of a sentence is: Use the tripod carefully.
Spatula. Spatula is a tool for picking up objects.
Spatulas are often used in biology or chemistry laboratories in the form of small spoons, flat and stands. Acceptance. Before practicum, spatula must be prepared. Volumetric flask. Volumetric flask is a device that has a capacity between 5 ml to 5 liters, and usually this instrument is used to dilute certain substances up to the neck of the volumetric flask. Acceptance. Volumetric flasks are used to hold solution in chemistry labs. Stirring rod. Stirring rod is a device for assisting the decantation of the solution, inducing crystallization and breaking the emulsion in extraction. Acceptance. Stirring rod is very useful for the solution stirring. Test tube. Test tube is a place to react two or more chemical solution and used for mixing, heating, and running reaction. Acceptance. Test tube is used as a place to react chemicals. Test tube clamp. A tube clamp is a metal clamp with a wooden or plastic handle. This laboratory tool is used to clamp test tubes when material is heated. Acceptance. Test tube clamp is difficult to use if a beginner. Spirit lamp. Spirit lamp is a flat-bottom cylindrical container with an axis in the middle to the top. Usually contains a mixture of ethanol and methanol. When ignited, the spiritus lamp can produce a very hot fire, which is used to heat chemicals. Acceptance. Spirit lamp should be used with care. Wire gauze is an iron wire mesh with thin gauze to distribute heat evenly and prevent cracking due to direct heating of glassware. Acceptance. Wire gauze is flammable. Be careful.